Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby. Today I'm actually going to be doing a blue graphic liner with glitter tutorial. In my opinion, this look is very beginner friendly, so if you do feel like following along, please do so. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Since today's eyeshadow isn't going to be super vibrant, it is going to be like a neutral look eyeshadow wise. I'm going to use my Urban Decay. No, that's not it. What is this? Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade 38N, and dab some of that on my eyes as well as blend it out. Now I'm going to dip into my Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4 and dip into the shades A4 and B3 and use this to blend out my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip into D5 and B5 from the same palette and use this for my outer corner and also blend this into the crease to make it seamless. And this will be the shade B4 that I am putting onto my eyelid. Now let's get into the hard part. Eyeliner is very intimidating for me, but this is the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Sapphire, and I really love the shade of blue, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how I would do my wings. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Spandex and putting this on top of the blue eyeliner. Now we gotta let it dry. I went ahead and I did my base off camera, and now I'm going in with my NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Cold Brew, which is brown, and I'm lining my lips. Now I'm going in with my NYX Shine Loud Lip Duo color thingy in the shade. I have no clue what shade this is. What? Okay, I thought it was Ambition Statement. I had to double check. So it is in the shade Ambition Statement. And I will have a video coming up on these. I managed to collect quite a few of them. Now I'm going into my inner corner with the shade A5, and you have to have an inner corner highlight because it just brings the whole look together and it makes you feel important and it's just magical. Alrighty, and that would be it for the finished look. I know the video was very short. It's just eyeliner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!